Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail foils is probably one of the most versatile and exciting ways to elevate your manicure game, transforming simple nails into stunning works of art with minimal effort and maximum impact, allowing for intricate designs and dazzling finishes that are sure to turn heads and express your unique style. Number 5. Makartt 3D Nail Gel. Introducing Makartt 3D Nail Gel, your key to stunning nail art. This 8 ml formula is designed for effortless application. Achieve flawless foil transfers every time. It's the perfect adhesive for creating intricate designs with ease. Experiment with a variety of finishes, including linear, shell, ripple, and chrome effects. Let your creativity shine. Get salon-quality results right at your fingertips. This gel ensures your nail art stays vibrant and beautiful. For best results, ensure you cure this gel under a UV or LED lamp. This guarantees a durable and long-lasting finish. What we like? This gel offers a strong, reliable adhesive for your nail foil art. If you're looking for a durable finish that requires a UV or LED lamp for curing, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want their foil designs to last and are comfortable using a lamp for the application process. What people say? The colors are vibrant and the designs are intricate, making it easy to create professional-looking nail art at home. The foils transfer smoothly onto the nail with a simple press, and they adhere well without peeling or lifting. There's a wide variety of patterns available, from subtle holographic effects to bold, eye-catching graphics, offering endless creative possibilities. Number 4. 100 Sheets Nail Foil Transfer Sticker Kit. Discover a collection of 100 unique and fashionable nail foil transfer stickers. These versatile decals are perfect for creating stunning nail art at home, and they're even large enough for your toenails. Achieve charming nails with a simple process. Apply the special glue, press on the foil, peel away the backing, and seal with a top coat. You'll get beautiful, durable results every time. Explore a variety of patterns including flowers, starry skies, leopard print, and marble. These foils aren't just for nails, they can also decorate phone cases, crafts, and more. Surprise your loved ones with this amazing nail art kit. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because, suitable for both professionals and beginners. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent customer service. If you're not satisfied, we'll make it right. Add this distinctive and fashionable set to your collection today. What we like? With 100 unique sheets, this kit provides endless creative possibilities for your nails and beyond. If you love variety and enjoy DIY projects, this is the choice for you. It's ideal for anyone who wants to experiment with different patterns and even decorate other items like phone cases. What people say? The nail foils are easy to apply and create a beautiful, professional-looking manicure at home. The designs are vibrant and diverse, offering a wide range of options to match any style or occasion. The adhesive included works well, ensuring the foils stay in place for a long-lasting finish. Number 3. Beetles Liquid Latex Nail Polish Guard 15 ml. Tired of messy nail polish application? Discover the revolutionary way to achieve flawless manicures with our innovative liquid latex barrier. Simply apply it around your cuticles before painting your nails. It creates a protective shield, ensuring a clean and precise finish every time. Once your nail art is complete, the dried latex peels off effortlessly. This leaves your skin clean and free from any polish stains. Our formula dries quickly in the air, forming a durable barrier. It protects your fingers and cuticles from accidental smudges and drips. Each bottle comes with a convenient plastic care stick. Use it for detailed nail design work or to help with the peeling process. Elevate your nail game and achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. It's the perfect tool for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. What we like? This liquid latex offers a clean and easy way to protect your cuticles during nail art application. If you often get polish or foil on your skin and want a mess-free cleanup, consider this. It's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to achieve crisp lines without the hassle of cleaning up excess product. What people say? The nail foils are very easy to apply and create beautiful designs. The variety of colors and patterns available is impressive, allowing for endless creative possibilities. The foils are durable and last a long time without chipping or peeling. Number 2. Duufin Nail Art Transfer Foils. Transform your nails into stunning works of art with our dazzling nail foils. Perfect for DIY decoration, they bring a touch of magic to your fingertips. Explore a universe of color with our laser flower designs. These vibrant stickers add a unique and eye-catching element to any manicure. From celestial starry skies to delicate lace patterns, we offer a wide range of designs. Elevate your nail art with these elegant and versatile options. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. Our transfer foils are designed for simple application, ensuring beautiful and long-lasting nail art. Express your personal style with our DIY nail art stickers. They are the perfect way to add a creative and personalized touch to your look. Discover timeless elegance with our black and white designs. These classic options offer a sophisticated finish for any occasion. What we like? This large set offers a vast array of laser and starry sky designs, including chic black and white options. If you're a fan of modern, elegant, or celestial aesthetics, you'll love this collection. It's perfect for those who want a wide selection of trendy patterns for both natural and artificial nails. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are intricate, making it easy to create professional-looking nail art at home. The foils adhere well to the nail polish and transfer cleanly, leaving a smooth, holographic finish. Comes with a good variety of patterns and colors, offering endless creative possibilities for different occasions. Number 1. Gilding Flake Set, Gold, Silver, Copper. Introducing our Gilding Flake Set, featuring 3 stunning metallic colors, gold, silver, and copper. Each bottle contains 3G of shimmering flakes, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your creations. These flakes are incredibly easy to apply and are designed to resist fading, ensuring your projects maintain their brilliance over time. You can handle them with your fingers for precise application. Unleash your creativity with these versatile flakes. They are perfect for resin jewelry, captivating paintings, trendy nail art, fun slime making, and a wide array of other crafts. Crafted with care, these metallic flakes offer a premium look and feel. Please note that they are non-edible and are delicate to work with, allowing for intricate detailing. We are confident you'll love our Gilding Flakes kit. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is here to help, and we offer a 90-day no-hassle refund guarantee. What we like? These Gilding Flakes come in 3 stunning metallic colors, perfect for adding a touch of luxury to your creations. If you enjoy working with resin, painting, or nail art and want a shimmering effect, this set is for you. It's ideal for crafters looking to elevate their projects with a subtle yet eye-catching metallic sheen. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the designs are intricate, making it easy to create professional-looking nail art at home. The foils transfer smoothly onto the nail with just a bit of foil glue, and they don't smudge or peel easily. There's a wide variety of patterns to choose from, including floral, geometric, and abstract designs, offering endless creative possibilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.